Hello, what's going on? Alunda Silva here, and I'm pumped, my friend. And if you're watching this video, you're probably checking on how you can actually start an online business or how you can do affiliate marketing. Hey, look, you're at the right place. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the $1 million communication sequence. Hey, have you ever been in a situation where you've actually driven traffic, you have people coming in, but you don't know what to tell them, you don't even know how to communicate with them? Hey, look, I know how it feels. So today I'm going to share with you the $1 million communication sequence, and this has helped me make 6 figures in my business, and I'm glad to share with you today. Hey, look, this is not a rocket science. It's a simple thing. And you know what? The most efficient thing are the simple things that we do daily, but we just overlook. If you're struggling to make sales in your business, if you're struggling to communicate with your list, hey, look, it's just, that means there is something you're not doing right. And mind you, it's not a rocket science, it's something simple because other people have been doing it and they've been getting results. If one can do it, all can do it. If they can get results, you can also get result by doing what you do. And today, I'm going to share with you how you can actually implement this $1 million communication sequence and get actually 6 figures of sales, and be able to communicate and create a community around yourself and around your business. Hey, look, let's dive right into it. So it starts with a 10 days email sequence. Hey, look, 10 days email sequence. Before you drive traffic, you need to make sure that your conversion model is set up properly. Your funnel is set up. You have your opt-in page, and I spoke about opt-in pages in one of my courses. You can check it out on this platform if you're on YouTube. Opt-in page is ready, your bridge page is ready. Now, when people opt in into your offer and they get into your autoresponder, you should at least have your first 10 days email sequence ready. Now, how do you prepare those email sequence? Many people struggle. Many people come to me and say, hey, Alun, how do I communicate with my list? What do I tell them? How? And you know what? Many people, a lot of mistakes that online entrepreneurs make these days is that they hammer their list with the same offer, telling them buy. Hey, look, people don't buy because you tell them to buy. Yeah, I'm going to be very frank with you. They buy because they trust you. They buy because they want a certain result, that they think that they can actually trust you, that what you're saying is true, that this particular product that you're promoting actually can give them that result. So people buy based on trust. So you need to build that trust. So how can you build that trust? I'm just going to give you a very simple model. Yeah, I know. I named it $1 million communication sequence. You might feel like, oh, it is something out of the world. No, it's actually very simple. 10-day email sequence. So your day one, what should you tell them? Day one, I call it pitching. So day one is when they opt in into your offer. So when they clicked and gave you their email, you should send a follow-up email, of course, that leads them to what they opted in for. So that could be a pitch or a promotion. So you tell them, hey, look, you opted in for so offer. This is the offer, and this is what you can get from the offer. Now day two can also be a pitch, a reminder pitch. I call it a reminder pitch or promotion. So you remind them that a couple of days ago they actually opted into this offer, but you just want to remind them that it's still available. Now from day 3 you start providing value. Now, what do I talk about value? Now, you start creating content around the result that this product is going to give them. For example, if you're promoting a product that teaches people how they can do affiliate marketing, you can create content like you see how you can start an affiliate marketing business. Write a blog. It could be a blog, or just write an email, or shoot a video. A short video telling them how they can start an affiliate business. 4-day value, I still call it value. You create value, you create content. And if you don't know where to get the content, you know what you have to do? Just check on YouTube. Check what other people are doing. It's simple. It's not rocket science. Check what other people are doing and send them the content. Day 5, you provide value as well. So this is the model. Pitch, value, and then pitch again, and then value, and then pitch. So that means in 10 days, the first 10 days, you are actually pitching like how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And the other 6 times, you're actually giving them value, providing content that will help them and that will actually help them make decision. And look, this 10 days email sequence must not follow themselves immediately. I'll actually advise that you give yourself a gap during the day. So day 1, when they opt in, you can actually, you either give them 1 day apart and send them a day 2, and then give them like 1 day apart. I actually advise you give them 1 or 2 days apart. So at the end of the day, your first 10 days will be like, they will end up like in 20 or 25 days. Make sure you spread out, because you also don't want to bombard your list. Remember that sometimes less is more. Less is more. Don't think that you need to email them every day. No, if you email people every day, they will take you as spam and they'll be tired. But it is wisdom for you to know when to email them and when to tell them, hey, look, I go deep about this on my course, on my free course. And if you want to know more about it, I'm going to leave a link below and you can check it out. Hey, look, I hope this was helpful. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you again. If you like this content, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you in my next video.